Okay, so hi. I thought of something in like you know how everyone's like get a packing harness, get a packing harness, get a packing harness to pack with, but I'm like, why spend all of that money? I'm like, yeah, sure, you can make a DIY one or whatever. This is only for packing and not for STP or play or anything. And like, so, and also, this is not safe for work. I'm gonna show you my packer, which is a prosthetic penis that helps give the bulge. That would be right there, right here, here. So I just washed mine, and yes, it is in a sock. I washed it, I cleaned it, I put on some cornstarch and went whack whack on places so the cornstarch wouldn't be as everywhere on it and all that stuff. So let's take it out. Oh, this is Mr. Limpy, the small from early to bed. But so yeah, there's a little fuzzies or whatever, but it's clean. It's also very soft cornstarch. So this, also the balls, not that big, but it's big. It is decently big. So what will you need? Because I'm personally a boxers person usually. So dropping my dick. So how can I pack in this? With regular boxers. So let's see. I got some undies over here. So good. These are just regular boxers. There's no hole, literally. You see that hole? And I will literally just flip it. Nothing special. Nothing. It is just your regular Hanes underwear. So what you can do is, personally, I'm not a person who likes putting holes in things. So I don't want to be like, let's just put a safety pin through it to hold it. I'm not that type of person. So what I figured out is using, I think this is called a paperclip thingy, but it's not a paperclip thingy, so I don't know. And a sock. I'm not going to reuse this sock because it was just used. It's not on my foot, but to hold this. So what you can do is put your packer, and like some people like it like this, like this, like this. All depends on you. I wear it like this personally. So I am a righty. So the head ends up on my right side. So what I do is stick that little bugger down. Do not have the have it like upside down in your socks. So like so here's the back. Let's just show, and then here's the balls. So you want it like that. And what you can do, I'm gonna put this over what I'm currently wearing, which is just PJ shorts. Just to give you an adjustment, just give you an idea. Well, it rides up on me. Okay, so as you can see, sorry, not really good shot on me because you can't see me at all. Is I'd put it right here inside and be like, is that a good spot? I would literally be seeing if that's a good spot. So I'm like, okay, right now that's fine with me. What I do is personally fold this in, and then to stick, you can go on the inside. This is really basic, guys. So put that right there. This hurts. I've slept with it on once accidentally, and it hurt a little bit. So fold that down. Then you can fold that over, and you can wear just shorts or whatever underneath it, and it gives you a bulge. This is obviously really high right now. High, and then you just there's your packer. It's right there. I'm just folding it out. So that's one way to do it. Do it is simple and easy. And that's how you can do it with your boxers. And there's a few other ways that you can do it. Also. I will show you with it underneath. So it's under my actual PJ bottoms. So just give me 1 second, please. Okay, so just put it on the underwear that I was currently wearing. So there's this is Hanes also. Also, it's the same exact brand like that. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Whoops. The head's right here. The balls are right here. Obviously, Mr. Limpy is pretty big, so big as in balls wise. So right there, and that's how you can pack. I can. Uno momento. Again, that's what it looks. I'm sorry, I'm actually standing. And that's what it looks like. Looks like without anything. It's like the head's right here. The balls tend to move a little bit, so it's kind of like ugh. But yeah. Let me show you it downstairs. Whoops. So obviously right now it's my the fly is like not centered, all that stuff, but hey. So obviously like the fly right now is not centered, but it works. And like with pressure against like jeans or whatever, it will push against it and will actually hold it in place more likely than not. So yeah, that is one way.